Warm welcome to all the participants. On behalf of Fulton Education Society's Srimant Bhaiya Saheb Rajamani Mahavidyalaya Maswad, I welcome all the research scholars, research students, participants who have joined to this session. Today we have organized this one-day online workshop on IPR and copyrights. This particular session will be, the speaker will be Dr. Bharat N. Suryavanshi, who is working for more than 20 years in central government offices under the Patent Office, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and presently he is working as Assistant Controller of Patents and Designs. He has done his PhD on the topic of bioefficacy and phytochemical studies on medicinal plants of Kinwat and Mahur Forest of Nanded district. He has completed his PhD from Swami Ramananda Tirtha Marathwada University, Nanded, Maharashtra. He has done his MPhil on the topic of plasmid profile of proteolytic lactic acid bacteria from Gulbarga University, Karnataka. His post-graduation is from biotechnology from Gulbarga University, Karnataka. He has published various national and international papers. He has delivered many lectures on IPR in various parts of the country. He was deputed for training at Tokyo, Japan on examination and IPR issues. He has been a part of various judicial, national and international training programs regarding IPR practices. And the most important landmark decision by rejecting Pfizer patent application for arthritis drug which was filed in the India. So I welcome Dr. Suryavanshi sir on behalf of Fulton Education Society's Srimant Bhaiya Saheb Rajamani Mahavidyalaya Maswad. Now I hand over this session to our principal, Professor Dr. Sanjay Dixit, who is going to deliver the introductory speech. Dr. Sanjay Dixit, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all the dignitaries, especially the resource person, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi, sir, the academicians, scholars, students who have been present on this virtual platform. At the very outset, I wish a very happy, healthy, and prosperous new year to all of you. Fulton Education Society's Srimant Bhaiya Saheb Rajamani Mahavidyalaya Maswad, District Satara, and Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Government of India, Nagpur, has jointly organized this one-day national level workshop on intellectual property rights and patents and design filing. And for this academic event, we have a very renowned stalwart, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi, Assistant Controller of Patents and Design, Nagpur. On behalf of our institution, our college, and the entire dignitaries who are present, I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart, sir. This is a program under National Intellectual Property Awareness Mission, and I am very happy to introduce within a few minutes the institution under which my college has been running since 1997. It is under Fulton Education Society, which works in the drought-prone areas of Man and Fulton Tehsils. These are the eastern part of Satara district, western Maharashtra. Maswad comes under the area which is called Manadesh, which is Broadtown area since last many ages. This college was started with the noble purpose of catering quality-oriented higher education to students from rural area. Obviously, making money is not the concern of the college, of the institution. We have undergraduate, BA, BCom, BSc, and one PG in history. This is an aided college affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. We have organized in the last couple of years many academic, curricular, and extracurricular activities, and today's national workshop is definitely a great failure, an achievement in itself. It is an attempt to have dialogue or getting guidance from experts from these fields, especially as Dr. Sujit Sadhu has mentioned that Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi is a stalwart and expert in the domain in which he has been going to speak. I welcome him once again. Intellectual property rights and patents have been become watchwords in the last couple of years, both in the academic as well as industrial fields. We academicians, especially working in remote areas like Maswar, we do not have the approach to listen or to get guidance from experts who are not nearby to us because we are working in the rural area, remote area. So this will prove to be a historical event in the history of this college that an expert from Nagpur is communicating to the audience from Muswad and rural areas of Mandesh. So it will be definitely a great achievement on our part. And I'm very happy to make it clear that more than 300 delegates have registered and they are present for this online event. Once again, on behalf of my college, I welcome all the dignitaries who have been present here and I thank you for being here once again. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I will ask Dr. Suryavanshi, sir, our today's speaker, to give his views.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I also welcome you all for the IPR session on behalf of Rajiv Gandhi, National Institute of Intellectual Property, Nagpur. As we are all knowing, IP plays very important role in protecting your intellectuals. For example, you know the physical properties like plot or flat if you're having, we are putting boundaries to that or guards to protect your property. If you're in gold and we are going to the bank and putting to protect that. What about your ideas? What about your intellectuals? How to protect? So today's topic to know about what is intellectual property, how to protect in the government of India by sharing my slides. Are you able to see my slides? Anyone, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see my first slide. You can see something I am showing, trying to make you understand blooming in the mind, or we can say lighting in the mind. It means I want to make you understand that the product of mind is called intellectual property. Now, the question may arise, what may be the product? For example, somebody is writing book on AI. The idea to write the book on AI is arising from your mind, so it's an intellectual property. Again, I'll put another example. For example, somebody is trying to give new technology, like we are having the vehicles which run on petrol, diesel. Now we got electrical vehicle. That's idea somebody brought to make the electrical vehicles. Again, new idea. Or somebody is writing new movie or drama. The idea to write is arising from your mind. Therefore, simply I can say the product of mind is called intellectual property. I'll quote another example to make you understand. You know, since long back, we know about the solar energy, but there are no solar panels to convert solar energy into electrical energy. Now we are having, everyone is doing that. What is this? New technology for converting solar energy into electrical energy. Again, new idea. We'll take another example to make you understand. In December 2019, we heard about the coronavirus. At that time, we are not having, what is the treatment for that coronavirus? We are not having any vaccines for that. Therefore, scientists all over the world started to carry out the research, and in the middle of 2020 we got covaxin, covishield, and sputnik. What is that again? Problem came, then vaccine competition. What is this product of your mind? That's again intellectual property. I'll quote another example to make you understand. At present, we know petrol and diesel. You can compare 21, 22, 23, 24. The rates of petrol diesel are getting higher and higher. Again, we know it's not a renewable source of energy. So somebody among you or any common man is thinking to give biodiesel. The process of production of biodiesel is again idea coming from your mind, arising from your mind to give the solution as an alternative for petrol and diesel. What is this? New technology, new idea. I hope you are getting idea what is intellectual property. Now let us see how this property arises. When you are in the classroom with your teacher, or in the laboratory or doing research, or sitting alone in the or group of people in the staff room, canteen, or everywhere, you are thinking to solve some problem. During the discussion, during thinking, you may get some solution to technical problem, or you may get some new idea. For example, I am going to Andaman Nicobar, sitting at the seashore side writing the poem Lehre, or waves of the ocean. So idea to write the poem is arising from your mind. So it's an intellectual property. You can go for the copyright because you are writing the poem which is new. Or somebody is giving new technology. For example, we know for cancer at present we are having only allopathy and chemotherapy, only two treatments. You know how much side effects are there. Somebody from botany or medicinal chemistry or any Ayurvedic people or pharma people is trying to give herbal medicine for the cancer. What is this? New technology, new idea. So you're getting solution technical problem. Again, you can claim for the patent because it's a technology. So simply I can say the idea may come at any time from your mind. That's all is in creations of your mind, or we can say human mind. Human is the intelligent animal in the animal kingdom, having power of thinking and taking the challenges. We went to the Chandrayana. We have invented aeroplane. We have invented electric bulb. What not we are doing? We are solving all the technical problems because we are having ability to think, act, and we are different from the other animal kingdoms. So, idea that arising from your mind is called intellectual property. That may be design, technology, books, software, or anything that is arising from your mind. That's called intellectual property. For example, someone thought to solve the problem for the blind people. Why can't Bata, Puma, Adidas, they involved in the manufacture of shoes, but no one thought. One of the company from Australia thought to solve the problem that they have used a ultrasonic sensor wherein the blind people can easily walk up to 4 meters away. They can detect what is in their way. So how much easy for the blind people. Otherwise, every step they have to put their stick. So the solution to technical problem, again, intellectual property. See, Moa flowers, Moache fool, Moake fool. What is this? Everyone knows it's only for the production of liquor, but Dr. P. Say from Nagpur, Bal Pandey College of Pharmacy has developed cold drinks out of that, and he is calling it as an Moa drink. What is this? New technology, new invention. The botanical name is Maduka longifolia. So anyone from other languages, in their own language, if they want to check, you can check the local name of that flower. So what is this? New formulation. Now the We are drinking Coca-Cola, Maaza, Sprite, but now we are moving to the herbal drinks. So he can be in company owner of that if he is able to manufacture the product of that Moa drink. Again, great invention, or we can say technology. These are the simple inventions. Let us see what is the background of intellectual property. प्रॉपर्टी कहते आपके मन में आ जाता है मेरे पास गाड़ी है, घर है, बंगलो है, इवन लैंड इन माय नेटिव, सो आई एम रिच एनफ. बट there is another kind of intellectual property which we cannot touch, that is creations of your mind, that's called intellectual property. In that we are having industrial property and copyright. See, patents, trademark, designs, GI, layout of circuit, protection of plant varieties, and trade secret. Let us see one by one. I told you IP means product of mind, but how to define that? Definition is required. You might have seen the movie Three Idiots. In that, professor asked, what is the definition of machine? The device which works easily, but as per the, I cannot write in the paper. So the definition is intangible creations of human intellect, your creations, and it has a commercial value, asset like any other form of property. For example, if you are developing biodiesel, as I told you, any company like Reliance, HP, or Bharat Petroleum can approach to you for licensing, and you are getting money out of that. Therefore, I can say asset like any other form of property. I told herbal medicine for the cancer. Any herbal company can approach to you for licensing. Again, it's an intellectual property. IP is called as an exclusive right. For example, Dr. Sujit sir from your college is filing the patent for some technology. The right is with him, not with his children, spouse, or parents. Only he can exercise the power of that. Therefore, we can say IP is a negative right, because other person in the family cannot exercise the power of that except applicant, or we can say patentee. IP is called as an territorial rights. Once you are applying for the patent in India, your right is valid only in the country of India. You cannot claim in USA, Japan, Germany, or any other country where you want to do your business. Then what to do? You can file your patent application even in the foreign countries by means of two ways. One is called PCT, Patent Cooperation Treaty, or another way is convention application as per section 135 of the Patent Act. So by means of two, you can go in the foreign country and file your patent application and check your rights or prevent them from manufacturing or doing your business in that country. Again, IP is called as a licensable right. If you are having technology, you can license to any company whom you want. Like corona vaccines were developed by Pfizer company, but they are assigned the right to Serum Institute of Pune for more production, because single company cannot manufacture more as lot of population in our country. So we have assigned the right to the other countries also. So we can say IP is a licensable right. Now what is patent? One of the Marathi movie, Dedakka, in that Makrand Anaspari is the hero. He has developed one part. If you remember, you can think of that. When they went to Mumbai to sold for dance of the daughter, they sold that part, his brother-in-law. And that company claims it's our part. But his friend was a lawyer. He has registered that patent and he claimed. Therefore, at the end of the movie, he is getting money out of that. So what is patent? Exclusive, monopoly privilege or rights granted by the government of India to the patentee. Now, who is patentee here? The person who is applying for the patent. Dr. Sujit sir was the applicant at that time, but now he got the patent. So we can say patentee. For 20 years from the date of filing or priority, not to keep it on file record for commercial gain. When you are disclosing everything clearly, then only you are getting the right as an territorial right, not worldwide. What is fully particularly? For example, you today came to the colleges or somebody attending from their home. You might have taken the head bath. Somebody using Vatika, Sunslick, Wow, Mamaearth, Vedic shampoo, different kind of shampoos are using. Why? You are being expert in the field, you are being highly educated, you are being science people or some arts, but highly educated. Why you are using different kind of shampoo? Some hero heroines are giving advertisement, or you know what is the content of that, or what is the effect. Simply you are using that. Why? As I am from botany, medicinal chemistry, I'm working on the medicinal plants. I'm developing herbal improved shampoo for treatment of dandruff. If I am able to show good results than Vatika or any other herbal shampoo, if my ingredients are different, if I'm able to show more efficacy after in detail, then only I'm getting the patent for that. Otherwise, no. In that detail is required. From where you are taking the plants, which plant, how much composition, what is the efficacy data, what is clinical trial, all you have to give in the patent application. That is called fully particular. That is a requirement of section 10(4) of the Patent Act. Then only you are getting the patent for that. Now, all the BSc fellows are doing project, BE fellows doing project, even arts fellows are doing project. But science people are doing research. If you are doing PhD, you are doing the research. So when you are doing your project, what your purpose says, bring 3 topics, I'll finalize one. Is the way of selecting the project or thesis or research work? No. You should know if your chemistry, biotech, micro, physics, what is the problem in your own field? How you are able to solve that problem? That is the topic you are supposed to solution. Always you are going to the discoveries. No one is doing the inventions during their project or research. If you want to say that your project topic or research topic is qualifying the definition of invention, or simply you are doing the discoveries. Discovery is not patentable. Then what is discovery? Finding or exploring something which is already there in the nature or existed, and discovery is not patentable. It does not have any technical effect. For example, I am a student of microbiology studying in the University of Mumbai, trying to take the sample from your college garden for isolation of microorganism, because I want to know what kind of microbes are present in your Satara district. Because temperature is different, environment is different, all the physical and climatic conditions are different. So I want to check what kind of microbes are there. So I'm taking project for isolation of microorganism from campus of your college from so-and-so district. So the process of isolation, maybe I'm changing pH, temperature, media of isolation. So my process new, I can get the patent for that. But not for the microorganism as such, because just I removed from the soil, it's an discovery. But genetically, if I'm modifying that microorganism by using genetic engineering technology, then you can claim genetically modified microorganism, then we can think of patenting. I'll quote another example. Rubber is a discovery, but somebody has made tire for 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler. What is invention or technology? So discovery is not patentable. Then what is invention? When you can say your research topic or your project topic is qualifying the definition of invention. Let us see now. Invention means new product or process. ATM machine पहले था क्या? Now we are having, it's an invention, it's a product. Process of making medicine is a process. CT scan machine is a product. पहले नहीं था, पहले सिर्फ X-ray था. Now we got CT scan machine. So day by day we are getting new product. Different shampoos are the product. Process of making shampoo is a, so your topic should be product or process. Useful to all. Something novel, non-obvious also. Again, should not be in the public knowledge before the filing date. Even if you are filing your paper for the publication in the international journal or national, what you do? You check whether your research article is in the public domain or not. If it is not, then only you are going for the publication. Same way, if you want to file the patent, your research topic or project topic should qualify the 5 criteria. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then only you are getting the patent and you are filing for that. But not finally you are granting. Again, section 3 and 4 is there. Your research topic is qualifying this, but again, it should not attract section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act. What is that section 3 and 4? I cannot go in detail, you can read afterwards. Section 3 and 4 is list of non-patentable units like method of treatment, plant as such, animal as such, atomic energy related elements are, we are not giving patent for that. So your invention should not attract the two sections, then we are granting the patent for your research work or project work. See the example. Invention. We take our pet to walk on the road. We think our house should not get contaminated or polluted, let on the roadside. Why? The mentality is like that. For that also, solution is given as a dog waste catcher and holder. You can read afterwards. Simple invention, but got the patent for that. Mostly pakadne ka. We throw the net in the river, pond, lake, and we catch the fishes. But someone has developed enhanced fish attractor device. Again, technology. पहले sharpener नहीं था. When I was a student, we used to use the blade which is used by our father, second hand blade we can say at that time. But now our children are daily using sharpeners. It is costing 1 rupees, but somebody has invented, brought the technology, that is CA Busher. Again, in the school level, we know who has invented aeroplane, who has invented many things like vaccines, pankha, again this electric bulb, again this telephone. All we know, they are called as an inventor. You may be doctorate, awarded many PhDs under you, but you are not inventor until unless you have patent on your name. So A.G. Bell is inventor for this. Can anyone tell me, this device was in the public domain since 1876, even though someone thought to bring the mobile phone. What was necessary? Why they thought to bring the mobile phones? Even this device, when British were ruling our country, they stock even in the foreign countries. To be kya jarurat padi? Why they thought to bring the mobile phone? Yes, you can put in the chat box. Anyone want to do the comments on that? Because this device is having some disadvantage that I cannot change this device from my cabin to Dr. Sujit Jadhav sir's cabin because it is connected in my cabin. So everyone has to come to my cabin to talk or dial. Again, this is one of the disadvantages. Again, you might have seen the old movies. 10 times ghumana padta hai. Very hectic and time consuming. Tring tring. To solve this problem, our scientific community improved over that and they got this stable phone. Wherein here I can dial easily 989293 like this. But again, I cannot change to Dr. Sujit cabin because it is connected still in my cabin. To solve this problem, our scientific community improved this phone, cordless phone, hall, kitchen, drawer, nearby area. But I cannot take in the meeting, nor in the car, nor in the plane, nor in the train. To solve that problem, we got the mobile phone in India in and around in the year 2002 or in that period we can say. If you remember, simple Nokia was there, silver color, very heavy, more than 5,000 rupees was the price and only incoming and outgoing were there. Now, video calling facility, light mobile, Google, Zoom, WebEx, what is this? Improvement of technology from AG Bell to mobile. Therefore, Apple got the patent, Samsung got the patent. So everyone is getting the patent because you are doing improvement. From this example, I want to make you understand that, or I want to convey one message that getting patent is not difficult. Even if you are improving your devices, machines, process, you can get the patent for that. X-ray machine, doctor used to say that you are having some infection, but CT scan machine, you are having 5 score of infection, 6. What is this? Improved device. So any improvement technology is also patentable. See, this was invented, it got patent for that. Nano car was not there. Hyundai, Tata Motors, Mahindra was there, they got. Many vaccines we got. These are the, so patent is given for the technology. It may be product, process, device, machines, which is novel, inventive and capable of industry application, then you can get patent for that. So let us see another kind of intellectual property called designs. What is design? You can check. Bajaj iron box, my mobile design, my watch design, my water drinking jug design. So anything which looks beautiful, that may be color combination, applied to any article in the form of 2D or 3D. It's an design. I'll show the different examples of the design. Flush design, mobile, brush, car, even handle design. Mere functional or technical feature of the article is not design. How it looks, that's a design. आपका spectacle अच्छा है, it means something good. So it's a new design. Term is 10 years. It can be extended for 5 years. Total 15 years, sir, for the design. For patent, 20 years, I told you. So, beautiful cup set. है आपके घर में? 5-star hotel में देखे हो? No, it's new set. Spoon set, sofa set, chair set, cooker set, blade set. All these are new design. See, this sanitizing machine was not there before Corona. During Corona, we saw this new design. See, this injection, this new. This capsule, this paracetamol, round in nature. See, all the designs are different. Textile design, curtain design, bedsheet design, earrings, bangles. हम लोग बोलते we want to change the bedsheet because it should be new design. Curtain I want to change, new design. Spectacle I want to change. Earrings, bangles, all want to change. So bag, bottles, everything is new design. Daily consumer products, office bag, wallet, comb. Everyone has drunk Coca-Cola, Mazda, Sprite, but they never thought why the Coca-Cola bottle design is like this. Why Sprite is like that? Never thought. I don't know why. Until unless you ask yourself why it is like this, you never get the questions. Kyun? You can do something new. Because I always ask question, why my result come like this? My result, I say, kyun aa gaya? Why can't this? So anything which looks beautiful, that's a design. See my comb, new design. Because I'm curly hairs, hairs I'm having, I cannot comb it that. Therefore, it's a new design of the comb. You can see water bottle of Aquafine, Aquaguard, rail water, all the design different. Your office bag, wallet, you can check your design is different. LG fridge is there. You can check the Whirlpool fridge. You can choose IB fridge also. All the designs are different. 3 pens, design is different. Kolhapuri chappal, Adidas shoes, Puma, Skechers. All the design is different. See, all the designs are different. See all the designs. See all the designs. See dress designs. See. Can anyone tell me why someone has developed such kind of design? Is a student who is doing project in the final year while studying the fashion and design course. He is a student of National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. Yes, can anyone? You know, कानून में लिखा है, the constitution written that anyone can work after attaining the 18 years only, but the poor people are working since their childhood. They are carrying out stones, bricks, sand, cement directly on the head, so they may have neurological disorders, back pain, disc pain. To solve that problem, somebody has invented new design. It is not on the head, it is above the head. Most of the weight is again distribution of weight. So there is a problem, somebody is giving solution in the form of design. Again, new design. Term is 10 years, you can renew up to how much you want to that. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called semiconductor, integrated circuit designs. Physics, electrical, electronics people are knowing exactly what the circuits are. If I are able to develop original novel layout of designs of semiconductor, you can go for the protection after the recession. The term is 10 years. The office is located at Delhi. You can file online or offline as you wish. Term is 10 years. You are very familiar with what is trademark or brand name. Tata, Bata, Parle-G, Good Day, Monaco. What is this? Visual symbols, which may be word, name, brand, numerical or conventional colors to indicate the source of the good, to distinguish from the goods of the other, like Amazon, something different, wording, color combination, all these are trademarks. So if you want to open your startup MSME, you can keep your name, that's and trademark. It advertises goods and services, protect the innocent public from buying the goods of secondary party. For example, Pond's powder. Many of us don't know what is spelling of that. Somebody says PONDS. Somebody says POUNDS. Somebody says POND apostrophe S. We are confused. Same bottle with the same flowers in the market. We are confused. So we should know exact mark of the company. Mumbai, you can go to Mumbai. In VT side, in 200 rupees, you are getting the Adidas shoes. Same in the mall, 4,000 rupees. Why? They are changing the name or mark. AD, they are putting B, we never read it B. We directly read Adidas. So, confusion. They are making us confused. So, we should know exact mark, name of the company. That's an, therefore, we are protecting that's an trademark. Or with NCRPG, registered trademark. TM means you have applied for the mark yet to get permission from the government of India. Duration is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years subject to the uses like Tata, Bata, how long they're in the market. Because since how long they are using that. There are different trademarks, collective mark, certification marks, taglines, slogans. Dil mange more is a kind of trademark. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called geographical indication. You are knowing what is geo tag. Place name used to identify source of origin, quality, reputation, or other characteristic products like Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk sari, Vaigauchi halad, Bhusawal banana, Drakshat Nasik, Tirupati laddu, mini got. So term is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years subject to the usage. Rasgulla, Bengal and Oria recently got. So Makrana Maru Rajasthan, Kolar gold mines, Kanchipuram silk sari, Paithani, Ratlamishu, Katputta Rajasthan, Cherry paintings, Bidrive from Bidar Karnataka, Worli paintings. So many got here. Even in the agricultural products like Magaipan, Devanalli Pamilo, Apimidi mango, Kashmiri saffron, Sahilicha Bihar, Purba oranges, Nagpur oranges. So many got here. You can check in the Google. So GI is given for the particular area location. So group of people has to, not individually. But patent, design, trademark, anyone can file with the company with the others. Term is 10 years. It can be renewed every 10 years subject to the usage of that. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called copyright. What is copyright? It's a bundle of right. It covers a lot of things. It restricts unauthorized copying and reproduction of an original expression, literary work, movie, music, painting, software. The term is life of the author plus 60 years. Therefore, you might have heard many singers are no more, but still they are getting the royalty for that. Many books were written by the authors. They were no more, but still they are getting royalty for that because term is like that. For example, if you are writing books, novel, story, poem, autobiography, thesis, or we can say any literary works, you can file under section 2 of the Copyright Act to get the protection for that. Artistic work under section 2C. If you are any drama, 2H. Musical works, 2P. Sound recordings, 2XX. Cinematography films, 2F. हम लोग बात करते हैं. We speak. This movie is dubbed from Telugu to Hindi. Bahubali. What is the dubbing at all? Somebody is copying without knowing to the author. Infringement of copyright. Many court cases are there, but we are not in the same field, so we are not knowing about that. But we know how much cases are there in the court for the infringement of copyright. So, without permission, you cannot copy story, movie, cinema, anything else, even book, music, because you will be suing the court, criminal proceedings and with some fines. The fees is given in the website, how much you are supposed to file for literary, dramatic, musical, artistic work 500 per work, for artistic for commercialization 2000 per work, sound recordings 2000 per work, for cinematography films 5000 per cinema. You are supposed to pay the fines in the government of India. To file the copyright, please visit copyright.gov.in. You will get all the information there for the copyright. Let us see another kind of intellectual property called trade secret. Some invention, data, information, if you don't want to get the patent or you want to keep secret, you can. That information is kept as a confidential and trade secret. For example, you are having some idea, survey method, manufacturing process, experimental results, chemical formula, or any recipe, financial strategy, client database. Since how long you are drinking Coca-Cola, Mazda, Sprite, but you cannot prepare in the home because we don't know content of that. You cannot prepare the same KFC recipe. You are eating pizza. Everyone might have eaten the pizza in Domino's, somebody in other hotel, somebody homemade. So which one is the tasty and fluffy? Obviously Domino's, because we don't know the process of making dough. We don't know what ingredients they are adding for that. Therefore, that's fluffy and tasty. That's a trade secret. Another kind of intellectual property called protection of plant varieties. It's not comes under the IP, Patent Design Trademark Act, but we have to deal under the separate act, that is Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001. If varieties are novel, distinct, uniform, stable, you can get claim for the protection. Who can claim? Only breeders, farmers, university, agriculture institute can also claim for that. Term is 15 years for annual crop, 18 years for the trees and vines. So I hope you got the idea what is intellectual property, what are the different kind of that. Again, what is the term on how to create your idea into invention and how to file, we'll see now. Before that, I'll take one example to make you understand how to protect single device or machine with more than one IPR, so that you are the only player in the market. Can anyone tell me what is this symbol and which kind of IPR is? Put in the chat box if you are able to. The symbol is Apple. It's a trademark of the company. Comes under the IPR category as a trademark. Overall design they got. Inside this is circuit, they got circuit. The distance between Sangli to Satara is an output. The distance is a technology we are getting patent for that. And the manual which you having with the laptop, it's in booklet, we get the copyright right. Therefore, the technology of Apple, manual Apple, circuit Apple, no one can copy. Therefore, their price is more than 1 lakh rupees. Otherwise, if you are able to, you can go to Dell, Samsung, Vivo also, or many other, because they got everything. Therefore, they are the powerful, and we can say there's power of intellectual property. I'll put another example to make you understand. Can anyone tell me what is this inside this bottle? Which kind of IPR? Choti, buddy, fir choti, fir buddy. What is this? What is this? Anyone? We'll say the formulation of Coke is a trade secret. This is a trademark. Choti, buddy is a design. The machine from which I am making the bottle is a patent, and the database is a copyright. So again, single product, protect with all, therefore no one can copy. Again, power of intellectual property. You can check your mobiles, Nokia, Samsung, Reliance, Apple, all are having mobile. Their name is different as a trademark. Their design is also different. The technology also different. So, single product, they got protection. Therefore, they are in the market. No one can copy each other technology. Now, let us see what are the career opportunity for the students who are listening my lecture. बच्चे क्या कर सकते हैं IPR में? If you want to come in the government of India as an examiner of trademark and GI, you should have qualification MSc Chemistry, Biotech, Microphysics, or any branch of engineering, depend upon the vacancy and advertisement. There are 2 papers. One is objective, descriptive. If you qualify, you will be selected and you will train in the government of India. If you want to become an examiner of trademark, GI, copyright, you should have law background. Then you will be selected through UPSC. If you want to work as a patent agent, Any science grad, BSc, botany, geology, chemistry, MCA, BCA, any science graduate can work as patent agent, but they have to qualify the patent agent examination. Two papers, one is objective, descriptive. If you qualify, then viva. If you qualify all three, then you are getting one number from the government of India that is called patent agent number, and you can practice. If you are having knowledge of IPR, you can work in the litigations, courts, IPR, IPR shall policy of central government, state government, MNC also, even NGO, and there are many IPR firms in big cities. You can work with the IPR firm. Those who are humanity background, commerce, they can become trademark agent by giving the exams. Every year we are conducting the exam for that. So now you learned everything. Now let us see how to file your patent application, who can file, where to file, what is the fee structure for that. Any person, startup, MSME, alone, individual, anyone can file the patent application. There is no age limit or educational limit to file the patent applications. How to file? Offline or online? You can file, it is left to you. As you are from Maharashtra, you have to file in offline in Mumbai. If you want to file online, you can file online with using digital or e-signature. बैठे बैठे file कर सकते हैं. Jurisdiction, filing is at your jurisdiction. So Mumbai covers state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Union Territories of Daman, Diu, and Dadra and Nagar. So filing is of this all in Mumbai only. But examination throughout the country, your file may go in any corner of the country. So filing it at for your jurisdiction only. So filing is in Mumbai only. That may be online or offline. What are the documents required for patent filing? Covering letter indicating the list of document. Form 1 for applicants, all the details. In that, paragraph 12 has to sign by the inventors. Form 2, if you are filing a complete or provisional application. Form 3, same technology you are filing in the foreign countries. Form 5, to add your friend's name, like in paper publication, first author is main, and second you are adding your friend's name. Same way, you can add your friend's name in Form 5. But keep in mind that all are having equal rights. So once your product or process commercialized, you have to pay the equal royalty to all. Therefore, think really those who are helping you in doing the research, put their name. Otherwise, don't put. Form 18 for request for examination. If you are putting online, pay the fees online. Offline, pay the fees offline. The fees is given in the website, even though 1,600 for natural person for online filing and up to 8,000 for the others up to 30 pages. Per page, per claim fees is more. For online filing, 80% fee concession for all the teaching institute. You are from college, teaching institute, you are having 80% fee concession. There will be additional 10% fee if you are filing physically. Request for examination 4,000 for natural person, 20,000 for others. If offline, 10% addition to this. Form 9, request for publication anytime before the expiry of 18 months. Even you are having chance to file expert examination as per Rule 24B. Form 18 is must. If you are filing PCT application, if you are choosing India as an ISA, means International Search Authority, IPU means International Preliminary Exemption Authority, or applicant is startup, or as per 2019 rule, one of the applicants ladies or government institute can also file for that. The fees is 8,000 for individual, 60,000 for others, but you are getting patent within 1 year because express train like that. So this is our website. If you want to know more detail, please go on to the patent, design, trademark, GN, copyright. If you want to file online, comprehensive e-filing, click here, patent, design, trademark will open. Whatever you want to file by using e-signature or digital for patent, trademark only digital, for design only digital signature is required for that, DSC. If you want to search public search, go to the patent search, then search whether the technology new or not, or Google patent, or EVSO patent, or EPO patent, or WIPO patent. These are the free database to search. If you are not happy with this, you can go to the pay database like Patshare or IP.com, pay the fees, get your work search done. If it is new, go for the parent filing. With this, I put a full stop to my presentation. Any questions will take for 10 minutes. Thank you. Please share the feedback link in the chat box so that they'll get the certificate within a week. Fill the link given in the chat box. Jadhav sir, share the link.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is any question, please feel free to ask me or put in the chat box. Jadhav sir will read for me. Yes, dear participants, don't hesitate to ask your questions.
I think there is no any queries or questions. Uh, so
Okay, we shall proceed further winding up.
yes, sir. So on behalf of Fulton Education Societies, Srimant Bhaiasaheb Rajamani Mahavidyalaya Maswad, the Department of Botany from SBR College Maswad, we have organized this one-day online workshop on patent filing, copyright acts, etc., where Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir, he has delivered a very nice and informative lecture. There are no many queries. Whatever the session you have done, whatever the information you have given, it is very fruitful and in very easiest language. So everyone, every participant, some participants are our students, some participants are from abroad also. Few participants from Queen Mary University, London, they have also participated in this online session. So in very easiest way, you have what you have uh, told us. I am very much thankful to all the this particular fruitful session you have given. On behalf of Fulton Education Society, Srimant Bhaiasaheb Rajamani Mahavidyalaya Maswad, Department of Botany and the principal of this college, we are thankful to you, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir, for such a nice lecture. I'm
Thank
also I'm also thankful to all the office bearers of Fulton Education Society, especially Srimanta Sanjeev Raj Naik Nimbalkar, who is the secretary of this institution, of this particular education society. As well as I am very much thankful to the principal, Honorable Professor Dr. Dikshit sir, who have given Department of Botany the opportunity to organize this session, organize this particular online workshop. I am very much thankful to principal also, and I am very much thankful to all the participants from various parts of India. Now truly I can say all the participants, they are from different parts of India, so truly I can say this online workshop has now become a national workshop. And instead we can also add one point that it is international conference, because few students from Queen Mary University, London, Great Britain, they have also joined this session. So I am very much thankful to all of you, the participants, the teachers, the students, research scholars, the guide, research guides, etc. And also I am very much thankful to Dr. Aruna Nakela, who is from Siddhi Foundation, Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. She has also given us a lot of support in every in collaboration with Siddhi Foundation. We have organized a few conferences, workshops, etc. So I am very, very much thankful to Dr. Aruna Nakela madam also, and I am thankful to all the peoples uh, who have been there in this organization. So thank you one and all. I have given the certificate link in the chat box, and I will also share it in the WhatsApp group so you can get the certificates. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you one and all.
Yeah, certificate will be issued within a week. It will come as a no reply. Please don't delete, download and take in color print.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.